If you're moving to expert trades from a different service provider, you may already have a customer list saved on that previous service. What you can do is you can import your customers from another service into the Office package by Expert Trades. Now, what that will look like is you'll first need to export your customer list from your other service. That will likely give you a CSV file, which is just a spreadsheet that has all of your customers' information and data on. Then it's just a case of uploading it to your account on Expert Trades. Now, something to keep in mind is the export that you get from another service may not be in the correct format that it needs to be in for Expert Trades. So if you have exported customers from another service, first of all, you'll want to log in to your Expert Trades account to get a template to drop the information into so we can upload it without any issues. So you need to log into your account by visiting experttrades.com on a computer, desktop or laptop. Once you're into your account, you want to head over to Office, go down to Customers, and then you'll see a Customer Export Import option in the top right. We'll hit that and you'll see we've got a couple of options. Then what we want to do is we want to export the template. Just click that and you'll download the template file. What this will give you is a CSV file that has some dummy data on it, just so you know what goes in each data point. This has some dummy data on it so that you know what goes in each column on the spreadsheet. But the most important thing that will be potentially different on an export from a different service is the order in which these titles are. So here we've got title, name, company name, email, contact details and addresses. For some other exports, sometimes you've got things like service reminder dates, you've got invoice data or some extra things. It's essentially a case of going over to your export, copying and pasting the list into the relevant columns. I'll show you what that looks like from another export of an Expert Trades account. So this is another export from another test account that we've got. As you'll see, there's a lot of duplicates in here. We like to do a lot of testing. But this is an export that you typically see from a different provider. And it's just a case of going into each column, top to bottom, copying and pasting over like so. And you just repeat that for each relevant column. Once you've done that, you'll end up with a spreadsheet that looks like this with all of your details from your previous provider dropped into this template. You'll save that as a CSV again. And then once you've done that, you'll head back over to your customers page on your account on a desktop, back up to the export import option, and you want to hit import customers. From here, again, you've got the option to download the template. What we want to do is we want to hit import CSV. Then we just choose the updated CSV file, hit open. That's then going to upload and import the customers. Depending on how many customers you have will determine how long this will take. If you've got 20 customers, it might only take a few seconds. If you've got 2,000 customers, it could take 15 to 20 minutes potentially. Just depends on how many customers you've got. Whatever you do, just don't close the page until it's done. Once the process is completed, you'll see a box like this, and it gives you total customers created, any updated, and if it was to show an error, it would say there's been a problem and it will tell you what line it couldn't update. But this import's gone well, so all the details are now in there. We can just close that off. And you can see all of our customers are now in my account. And that's it. That's how easy it is to import customers.